Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how we can integrate Facebook Pixel with Go High Level. Okay, so if you don't know what is Go High Level, then I will tell you. Go High Level is a platform by which you can create multiple funnels, and if you want to email your clients, then they have a great email sequencing platform. Okay, then you can use it. So yeah, uh, and if you don't want to use Google Tag Manager for setting up Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel, then you can integrate uh, you can use this formula for integrating Facebook Pixel with Go High Level. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get it started. So I'll be setting up Facebook Pixel for this three landing pages actually. So this is basically the home page. So I'll be setting up Facebook base pixel for the home page. I'll be setting up Facebook base pixel and uh, booking or schedule event for this booking page. And I'll be setting up Facebook base pixel because base pixel is a common, you know, for which pages are you going, base pixel will be the common thing. So I'll be setting up Facebook base pixel and lead event for this thank you page. Okay. So yeah, I have created three funnels on Go High Level and I'm gonna be setting up Facebook pixel for all of them. Okay. So first of all, we need to set up Facebook pixel. So for setting up Facebook pixel, I'll go to the events manager. So hopefully you have known how to create a Facebook pixel from the events manager. In case if you don't know, I have a complete tutorial on I have a complete tutorial for Facebook pixel setup. Then you can go to my YouTube playlist and set up Facebook pixel. So I have already created a Facebook pixel for now for this. Okay, and I have named it as ICC pixel for WhatsApp marketing. Okay, now I need to collect the Facebook base pixel code. So I'm gonna click on add events and I'm gonna be choosing add new integration. Then I'm gonna be clicking on meta pixel and I'll click on setup. So I'll be choosing this option called manually add code to your website and I'm gonna click on get started. So you can see over here, this is the base code. So we can install the base code from here. So I'm gonna copy the code and I'm gonna using Google Translate, you know. So this is the page view event you can see over here, and this is our pixel ID. Okay, so I have to insert it on the Go High Level funnel. Okay, so I'll go to my Go High Level account. So this is not the account I'll be working for. I'll be working for this one. Okay, so I'm gonna switch. Then for setting up Facebook pixel on Go High Level, I need to go to the site section. Then you can see we have different funnels over here. Okay, so you can create different funnels using Go High Level. So I'm gonna be setting up Facebook pixel for this funnel, Facebook to WhatsApp. So I'm gonna click on it. Then I'm gonna be choosing Facebook leads to WhatsApp. Then, as I already told you, I have created three funnels over here, one for home, then book a call, then thank you. Okay. So you can see over here, this is home page, this is booking page, and this is thank you page. So first of all, I'll be setting up Facebook base pixel for this home page, and I'll put it in the settings section so that all of the pages are covered, you know. So I'm gonna go to the settings portion and you can see over here we have an option called head tracking code. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this code. You can either copy it from here, but I'll copy it from the business manager, event manager actually. So I'm gonna insert the code. So this is our base code. So I'm gonna click on save. Okay, perfect. It is saving. So it has saved. Okay, so let's check whether base pixel has been installed for this page or not. So I'm gonna take the help of an extension called Facebook or Meta Pixel Helper. Okay, so you can install this extension from Chrome Web Store. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh this page and You can see over here, page view event has fired, and this is our pixel ID. That means it is working fine. Okay. So I'll go to the book a call page, and I'm gonna click on edit, and I'll click on edit page details. Okay, perfect. So it is loading. So I'm gonna go to the translate section, and I'll copy the scripts from here. So I'm gonna copy the first script, and this is the closing scripts. Okay. And if I go to Facebook standard events, then I'll get these two events, one called lead, and for booking, I'll name the event as schedule. Okay, or you can name the event as uh, a booking, no worries. Okay, so this is for the lead event. Then I'm gonna copy the whole code. Then I'm gonna paste it over here, and instead of lead, I'm gonna use the event name as schedule. So you can either name it as a schedule or booking. It's up to you. So I'll be using the schedule event. So I'm gonna copy this code, and I'll go to the booking page. So this is our booking page. So I'm gonna go to tracking code. Then we have an option called header tracking. So I'm gonna insert this code. So what I'm basically doing over here. So whenever someone lands on this page, booking page, I want to track uh, an event called schedule. Okay. So that's what I did over here. ABQ track event name is schedule. So I'm gonna click on save. I'll click on save it from here, and I'm gonna click on publish while it is saving. So I'll click on publish. It is publishing. So let's go to the booking page and refresh the page and see whether these events are firing or not. So you can see over here, page view is common, and there is an event called schedule. So schedule event is firing for the booking page. That means it is working properly. So the next thing is we need to track this thank you page. Okay. So I'm gonna click on back, and I'll go to the thank you page. I'm gonna click on the edit section, and I'll click on edit page. Then I'm gonna go to the translate and copy this lead event code from here. And I'll click on tracking code. And in the header tracking, I'm gonna paste this code. So what I'll basically do whenever someone lands on this page and to track this as a lead event, that's what I am doing over here. ABQ track, the event name is lead. So I'm gonna click on save. I'll click on save from here as well. And I'm gonna click on publish. So it is publishing. So let's refresh the page. So I'm on the thank you page, and let's see whether page view and lead event fires or not. So you can see over here, page view event has fired and lead event has also fired. So this is how you can set up a Facebook pixel for your go high level funnel. Okay. So yeah, in case if you don't want to use Google Tag Manager, as because all of them are not aware of Tag Manager, because this is a different tool. This is sometimes hard to set up tracking like tag triggers, variables, and everything. So if you don't want to use Google Tag Manager and you want to stick to Go High Level, then set up Facebook Pixel using Go High Level, then you can use this formula. Okay. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Hopefully you have a good day. Okay. And additionally, if you need any conversion tracking services like setting up Facebook Pixel, setting up Google Tag Manager, setting up Google Analytics 4, you want to set up GA4 e-commerce tracking, analyze the data, and you want to make the reports using Google Analytics 4, and want to set up first party data using server side tagging, then you can contact us. We have provided our WhatsApp number. You can directly call us, email us. Okay. So yeah, you have a good day. Bye bye.